In a major development in the sensational Jirania Phensedyl seizure case, the Tripura Police Crime Branch has arrested 2 more individuals, bringing the total number of 3 arrested persons. The operation highlights the state government's commitment to combating drug trafficking, as repeatedly stressed by the Chief Minister. The 3 individuals currently in custody are Arun Kumar Ghosh, a businessman from the Dhaleshwar area of the capital state Agartala. He was detained from Kolkata and brought back to Agartala on a transit remand. Himanshu Jha, a resident of Delhi who was apprehended from outside the state and brought to Agartala on Monday afternoon via air transport. And Rajiv Dasgupta, the 3rd individual who was previously arrested by the crime branch. Crime Branch Inspector Rahul Alam confirmed that these 3 are currently in the police net in connection with the case. The incident, which caused a stir across the state, occurred in mid-October during the festive season. Police recovered an entire bogie of a Delhi to Agartala goods train filled with illicit cough syrup. The contraband is estimated to be worth around crores of rupees. Police conducted a search over 2 days, seizing a massive quantity of the codeine-based cough syrup. The Chief Minister had made it clear that no one involved in these activities will be spared. The subsequent actions taken by the police and crime branch aligned with this commitment.
এই পর্যন্ত 3 জন অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছে, একজন আগরতলা, একজন দিল্লি, একজন কলকাতা থেকে।
কি কেসে তাদেরকে আটক করা হয়েছে?
জিরানিয়া রেলের যে স্কোপ পাওয়া গেছে সেই কেস।
তিনজনে কি মানে রাজ্যের নাম বহিরেছে?
একজন দিল্লির, 2 জন আগরতলা।
তাদের নামগুলা?
অরুণ কুমার ঘোষ, রাজীব দাশগুপ্ত, হিমাংশু ঝা।
তিনজনে কি এখন ত্রিপুরাতে রয়েছে না এখন বাইরে কি আরো আনা হবে?
2 জনই আগরতলায় এখন।
আর কি কেউ এই কেসে কিছু আপডেট রয়েছে?
তো বাকিরা বলা যাবে না। ইনভেস্টিগেটিং ম্যাটার।
The ongoing arrest suggests that the crime branch is broadening its investigation to dismantle the entire network. Report to be Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.